Okay, that was number one today. Here comes number two, and I really mean number two. Con Edison, in its infinite wisdom, has decided to increase rates by 14%. For what, I don't know. I mean, they did put new transformers in my neighborhood because the complex has a bunch of them. And they did some work in the street, although technically I don't even know if it was them. But now you're raising my rates to try and make the grid better, which you have been doing for 20 plus years. So they decided, well, we need a 14% increase if you want to do all these things. And I got my 14% increase. My 14% increase went up $33. 33 bucks. That's nothing to fucking sneeze at. Okay? And because in the future, I'm going to be forced to buy an electric car. Because if I want a brand new car, it can't be a normal combustion engine, which lasts longer, by the way, than these stupid electric vehicles. You're taking away my choice. Now, why someone hasn't tried to bring this to court yet is beyond me. Maybe when it gets closer to being an actual law, they'll sue the state and someone with a brain will say you're taking away people's choice. All because of climate change. Look, the more I hear about climate change and how things are bad and the weather's getting worse and blah, 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 the more I see the dollar signs. Oh, we need money for this and this. No, you don't. We're fine. We get bad storms. It happens. It's been happening since I was a kid. Oh, these are historic storms. Really? How far does your history go? 100 years? Maybe a little more? 150? I'll give you 150. That they've been tracking weather? You do realize that the Earth is 4.5 billion years old. It's been through ice ages, solar flares, magnetic pole reversals. And you actually think that what we've done over the last 200 plus years is fucking up the planet? Are you stoned? You people really got to stop believing this shit. Start looking at facts. The carbon footprint that you have to make just to make an electric car isn't worth the cost. And I'll give you a prime example. In New York City, they want to switch to electric buses. City buses now they want them all electric. Fine. How long do they run on one charge? 4 hours. Really? How long does a conventional biodiesel or biofuel bus run for? 20 hours on a full tank. So if my math is correct, for one bus line, the one bus that goes for 20 hours, you're going to have to replace it with 5 of them. And electric buses ain't cheap. Do you see what I'm getting at here? It's all about who's lining their pockets. And if you can't see it by now, I don't know what to tell you. The carbon footprint of the entire world is 0.04. This is what you're panicking over. If it drops, if you have zero emissions, and it drops to 0.02, you will be killing the plant life you are trying to save. Is that what you want? You're already killing trees because you don't want plastic bags. Instead of getting biodegradable ones, you decide to ban plastic bags in favor of 5-cent, or depending on where you are, 10-cent paper bags. Money. The paper bags, though, aren't made out of the air. They're made out of trees. See where I'm going? You want to get rid of all fossil fuels, but the fossil fuels is what makes your little windmill, what keeps it running, lubrication. And the mining you have to do to get all the rare minerals to make a battery is insane. You have to wake up to this climate change bullshit. It's a fucking hoax at this point. Everything that has bombarded the earth, it's still here. We're the ones going away at the earth. And for those of you who think the earth is fucking flat for some reason, if the earth was flat, there would be no gravity. Go look up your science. Science good for this, science bad for the other. So, it's time to get up and start calling these people for what they are. Money grubbing fucking assholes. And they're taking you for that ride. We're going to make you get electric. Meanwhile, it costs more for electric. Remember, my bill went up $30. Imagine having to charge a car on top of all the other shit in my house. No. Someone's got to stop this. Someone's got to stop the madness of these Democrats and their fucking earth bullshit. The earth isn't going anywhere. You are. And so am I. Wake the fuck up. Booyah.